Hello everyone, this is Miss Danielle from the Laurel County Public Library, and today we are going to be singing songs and making a craft that relates to bees, spiders, and butterflies. But let's sing our songs first, and we're going to start with some bee songs, and the first one is called The Bees Go Buzzing, and it'll help us count up to number 5. So here we go. The bees go buzzing one by one, hurrah! Hurrah! The bees go buzzing one by one, hurrah! Hurrah! The bees go buzzing one by one, the little one stops to have some fun. And they all go flying high in the sky to get back to their hive. Buzz, 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 the bees go buzzing two by two, hurrah! Hurrah! The bees go buzzing two by two, hurrah! Hurrah! The bees go buzzing two by two, the little one stops to sing a tune. And they all go flying high in the sky to get back to their hive. Buzz, 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 the bees go buzzing three by three, hurrah! Hurrah! The bees go buzzing three by three, hurrah! Hurrah! The bees go buzzing three by three, the little one stops to scratch her knee. And they all go flying high in the sky to get back to their hive. Buzz, 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 the bees go buzzing four by four, hurrah! Hurrah! The bees go buzzing four by four, hurrah! Hurrah! The bees go buzzing four by four, the little one stops to sing once more. And they all go flying high in the sky to get back to their hive. Buzz, 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 the bees go buzzing five by five, hurrah! Hurrah! The bees go buzzing five by five, hurrah! Hurrah! The bees go buzzing five by five, the little one stops to exercise. And they all go flying high in the sky to get back to their hive. Buzz, 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 buzz. Good job, guys. Good job. Okay, let's sing another bee song, and it is called Here is the Beehive. So let's get out our little beehives with our fist. All right, here we go. Here is that beehive, but where are all the bees? Hiding away where nobody sees. Here they come flying out of their hive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do that one more time. Here is that beehive, but where are all the bees? Hiding away where nobody sees. Here they come flying out of their hive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job, guys. Good job. Okay, now let's sing the Itsy Bitsy Spider. And we'll do some moves to go along with this one. So here we go. The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. Let's do that one more time. The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. Good job, guys. Good job. Okay, now in relation to butterflies, we are going to make a butterfly craft. All right, so let me show you some of the things that you would need in order to make your butterfly craft. All right, so we will need some white cardstock paper. It's a little sturdier than just regular paper. You'll need some scissors, some googly eyes, a pencil for tracing, a black marker, some black construction paper, a glue stick, and some paint. So I have blue, red, and yellow. And you guys can use any color paint that you have at home. It doesn't matter what color it is, just whatever your favorite color is. All right, so I'm going to push some things out of the way and show you what we do first. And also you'll need maybe some paper towels or some some wax paper is what I have for the mess that we might be making with our paint. So you'll first fold your paper in half. So a butterfly is symmetric, and that just means that it is the same on both sides. All right, so I'm going to open this up. Lost my little butterfly here. Okay, now, so we'll open this up, and I'm going to use the paint here that I have. We'll start with yellow. Whee. Whoops. You don't have to put a whole lot. You can just do spots or zigzags or circles, whatever you want to do. It doesn't have to be perfect. Oops. Okay, then we'll use some blue. All right. And once you get all your paint on there, you're going to close it up, and this is where some of the paint may squish out whenever you press down. So push down on the paper. See, some of that paint is starting to come out. Oops. It's okay to have a mess. This is supposed to be fun. All right, so press it down real good. And then when you open it up, it should look about the same on both sides, just like a butterfly. That is called symmetric. All right, so then you're going to put this aside, and then you might want some paper towels too, guys, because it may get all over your hands. Whenever you pull this open, you're going to set it aside and let it dry. So it'll take a while for it to dry. All right, let me push this stuff out of the way. Okay, and then after it's dry, it will look something like this, which is really, really pretty. Okay, then all you have to do is take that black marker and you're going to trace butterfly wings. So you'll make some butterfly wings. And then you're going to cut with your scissors those butterfly wings, and it should look like this. Isn't that pretty? Then I already have some that's pre-made here, so that's kind of what they look like when you get everything together. So I've already went ahead and pre-made a little butterfly body with my construction paper and some antennas. All right, and with the antennas, you're going to take a pencil and you're going to ravel it around, so it'll kind of have a bend to it. All right, so there's our antennas. And then you want your two little googly eyes. Now, I'm going to take my glue and glue the little body on right in the middle. So there is our butterfly body. And this may take a few minutes to dry. Then we'll put some glue on our antenna. These are so pretty when they're all finished. You wouldn't think about just pressing some paint together on a piece of paper would be so beautiful. Okay, so there's that part. Okay, now with these eyes, I think it's a peel and stick, but you can also glue. I may have to peel and stick myself if I can't get it. Okay, there we go. So we'll just put our eyes on there. Got one more. I can get the piece off. All right, and then there's her other eye. So there we have a beautiful butterfly. butterfly. And here are some of the others that I've made as well. So it can be any color. It really is fun to make. It's fun just to play in the paint with. All right, guys, well, thank you all so much for singing with me and for making a butterfly craft today. We will say goodbye, and I hope to see you all next time. It is time to say goodbye to all of our friends. It is time to say goodbye to all of our friends. It is time to say goodbye. Keep a smile and please don't cry. It is time to say goodbye to all of our friends. Yee-haw! Goodbye, everyone.